Hey guys, this video is to show how to change the spark plug connector on Nissan 300ZX Z32 between 1990 and 96. This applies to NA or turbo since they all uses the same connector anyway. You see mine here, right here, it's pretty much beat up. They're all cracked up, tape. It's pretty much brittle. And what was holding this down on the spark plug coil is a zip tie. So what you pretty much have to do, what you need is the new connector. Right here, I got it online, and the smallest spec that you could ever find, smallest screwdriver. What you pretty much have to do, you have to be careful though. See this broken tabs right here? This is the lock where it used to be before. So your plug's gonna go look like this. So let's start doing it by removing the wire. Oh, you have to remove this lock that holds the wire down. And alright, just pretty much push this all the way, push it all the way to the end. At the same time, pull the wire out. I believe you have to plug this in a certain way, so the way when I pull it, I plug it right away so I won't mess it up. I might miss and plug them in the wrong socket. So we're doing the middle wire. Push it, kind of jiggle it, then it's all brittle, it's falling apart. Oh crap, I didn't see that coming. Plug it in. Usually hear it click. There you go. Turn one. Wow. It all like disintegrated. Then plug right back in. So you won't plug the wrong wires in the wrong hole. And you need the new lock. Just push it through the wires like that, and then lock it down. There you go. That's how you do it. You only do this if your wires or connectors or pins are not corroded. But if your connectors and pin are corroded, you have to buy the whole set, the connector with the wiring. But if your pins are okay, all you need to buy is just the plug connector. Alright, so that's it for now. I might do the fuel injection plug connector on my other video, so just keep an eye on that one. Good luck. If you have any question, just PM or ask questions.